Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A56 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find Accounts and Backup. Then let's tap on Backup Data in the Google Drive section and tap on Next. Tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it quickly and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. And Google Terms of Service Privacy Policy, you can simply tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Let's tap on the account, and here we can decide what kind of data we want to backup, so photos and videos or other device data. It's totally up to you. You can mark both and then tap on Confirm. Tap on Manage Backup, and here we've got the backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off to avoid some charges. And to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now, and now your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.